people even older than me. Even older than I am. Simon and Garfunkel, and so you get the joke, such as it is. The song is called, the original song is called The Sounds of Silence. The Sounds of Silence. So this is from my niece. Yeah, Yeshuati have talked Hello, Mishpocha and dear friends. It is by Mitzvah time again, which means another song's about to come. Thank you. And Rachel, sure it's gonna be so dumb, but don't fear if she seems not to give feedback and won't react. That's just the sound of Rachel. Let's try to make conversation. If you're over 31, there's no doubt that you can sure make her see. And you know she's there, you hear her breathe. No matter how you try, she'll just give you that icy stare and a little air. And that's the sound of Rachel. Fool, you think you'll get a rise from a child who's way too wise. She knows that she can surely wake you out. You'll be dead eventually, no doubt. Yes, it's true, I have known her for over 13 years, but only peers can hear the sound of Rachel. Now, Rachel, it's your bat mitzvah. And what a big girl now you are. Heard your words that you thought would teach us, with a voice that finally did reach us. And then, no more silence, I did hope. What a dope. Back to the sound of Rachel. This morning we all bowed and prayed. Shema Yisrael is what we said. And so we listened to a brand new voice. Well, she's my niece, so I had no choice. But at least from now on, when that voice does rise, I'll recognize that that's the sound of Rachel.